A boy who lives to win.
Alam mo kasi, Drakey, you should never play with girls' feelings. Hindi dapat nilalaro ang love.
A girl who has nothing to lose.
Sigurado ka na ba talaga na ayaw mo nang bumalik ng States?
Wala naman po akong babalikan dun eh. Wala na kaming bahay, wala na kaming pera, wala na rin si Mommy.
And the bet that will change the rules.
30 days, dude. 30 days to make a girl fall in love with you.
Sino?
Siya.
Before it hits 12 noon, Sophia is mine.
What?
What are you doing here? Can't you see I'm taking a shower? Don't you know how to knock?
Susi ka ba si Drake season na yun, no?
Wala akong oras sa mga kalokohan na yan.
Kalokohan ba ang tawag sa pag-ibig?
Love, pustahan, sugal, they're all the same. In the end, palagi kang talo.
Ang uwi mo naman, ano ka ba?
Kung ikaw madali lang sa'yo magtapon ng mga bagay, ako hindi.
Hindi ko nagugustuhan na halos hindi ka na umuwi dito sa bahay. May problema ba tayo?
Hi.
Hi. Drake!
May problema ka na naman sa daddy mo, dude. Bakit di mo na lang sabihin sa mami mo ang problema mo? Para hindi mo sinosolo yan.
It's sad when your heart gets broken. But you know what's more sad? Hindi ka naman masasaktan kung hindi mo mahal yung tao.
Star Cinema presents with pride this year's breakout love team. Enrique Hill and Liza Soberano.
Tomboy ka ba?
Hindi mo ba naisip na baka hindi lang talaga kita type?
How do I get you?
Question is, are you man enough to find out?
Love is a game of chances. Are you willing to risk your all to be loved just the way you are?
What are you doing here?
I want to know your secret so bad. I'm gonna be with you 24/7.
Directed by Theodore Boborol, June 17 in cinemas nationwide.